Hello, and welcome to LinMot Tutorials. In this video, we will cover the rotary sizing of a linear rotary motor in a cap torque checking application. The first thing you need to do is go to the upper left-hand corner and open a new rotary sizing. We will then go to our global settings and enter our info in the Info tab. Here is the mass moment of inertia of our tooling and cap, and the mass moment of inertia calculations we will use in our global and local settings. Here is the updated moment of inertia value we will use in the global settings. And this is the updated value that we calculated using the linear rotary installation guide. We will go into the motor tab and select the RS01 84x80 motor and enter K15 4-meter cables. We are gonna enter our calculated moment of inertia, which is 47.12 in the mass moment of inertia settings, and deselect Add Rotor Inertia. Now we can begin building our motion profile. For now, we can ignore the thermal load warning until we complete our motion profile. The first segment will be a 1000 millisecond standstill. Segment 2 will spin 4 revolutions or 1440 degrees in 500 milliseconds. Then we'll add 0.0091 to our local settings for the mass moment of inertia for the cap. Again, we can ignore the regeneration warning until our motion profile is completed. Segment 3 will be a 200 millisecond standstill. In the local settings, we will enter an external torque of a negative 8.8 Newton meters to simulate correctly placing the cap on the bottle. Segment 4 will be a 500 millisecond standstill. Segment 5 will have the motor spin 4 revolutions back to its initial position. The motion profile is completed, and we have temperature and regeneration warnings. Adding a fan will fix the temperature issues. In the global settings, we will change the cooling method from flange to fan. Now we will uncheck the Add Typical Supply Capacitance. The regeneration warning can be fixed by adding a filter capacitor. This filter capacitor has a capacitance of 10,000 microfarads. We add 10,000 microfarads and the 390 microfarad value, which comes from our 120 volt power supply. Then we have a total value of 10,390 microfarads. We now see the warnings are no longer there. This concludes this tutorial. Thank you.